guys, how are you? Today in maths lesson, we're going to count in twos, fives and tens to count larger groups of numbers. So counting in twos, fives and tens is going to help us a lot. When we have loads of things, that's going to be quicker and easier to count. So I'm going to support myself with a 100 number square. You can do it at home, you know how to do it, from 1 to 10, and then 11, 20, 30. You can find them online and you can print them, but don't worry, like you can just write it down in a piece of paper and that will help you loads. Unless you're really good at this and you don't need any support. So I'm gonna count with you guys so we can do this together and you can go through this lesson. The reason we're gonna make this review is because now it's time to solve mental problems and mainly word problems. So one of the tasks for you this week is to answer 3 questions that I asked you in the file that I sent to your parents. So you're gonna have 3 questions and then you're gonna write your own questions in pieces of paper. For maths, the color of the cards for the board game is going to be blue, but we're gonna go through that later. So are you ready to count with me in twos? Fine, let's start. We start in 0 and please look carefully at the pattern. Remember, it always, when we count in twos, it always finishes in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Ready? 1, 2, 3 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Well done, guys. Now it's time to count in fives. And again, look at the pattern. The number always ends in 0 or 5. Let's start in 0. Ready? And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Well done, guys. Now, if you find that this can be a bit boring, remember you can always play our videos. So I'm gonna play a beat while counting by tens.
Hands go forward,
Hands go back,
as we count by tens.
forward and back, just like that, just like that. Counting forward, just like that.
10, 20,
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, just like that.
take it back. Hands go backward and count back. 100,
19, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10. Just like that, just like that. Counting backward, just like that. So, I'm not gonna play the whole video, guys, because we're gonna take ages, but you can do it just like orally as we did here, or you can play some videos that I'm gonna send to you as well, okay? Then, I want you guys to make groups of twos, fives, and tens. Please make 10 groups of each one, okay? So, I've done some for you here with beans that I had at home. I made 10 groups of twos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I want you to count by twos so you can know how many you have in total. So it will be like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And then please make 10 groups of 5s and count by 5s again. And then you're gonna tell me how many beans you have in total in the groups of 5s. And again, 10 groups of 10s, okay guys? So you'll be counting 10, 20, 30, and so on. Please, camera up. Thank you. Please, guys, send me your pictures of your groups. It can be rocks, pencils, rice, I don't know, whatever you have at home, maybe cereal bits or Play-Doh little balls. So you can do it like that. And then try to answer the questions that I sent. Sorry. One of the questions says there are 4 groups of 5 monkeys in the zoo. How many monkeys are there in total? If you find this a bit tricky, guys, draw it. Draw 4 groups of 5 monkeys in a piece of paper, and then it's gonna be easier for you if you see the little monkeys there, and that's gonna be easy to get the answer. And this is one of my examples of the cards for the game. So here's the question, and in the back, teeny tiny here, I wrote the answer. Hopefully you didn't see that for your homework. I hope you have a great Tuesday, guys. Bye bye.